Hello guys, it's Mila here. How you doing? I have amazing news for you to share. How many of you have attended GoPro last year? How many of you are never attended GoPro? How many of you really would like to attend GoPro, but unfortunately, maybe you don't yet have enough units in your back office to buy the package, or probably you're not yet sure what exactly you will get from the GoPro, and that's why you're a bit of hesitant about the price, about the timing, and about the entire event. What we have created for you, it's a unique opportunity where every single person from our community, exclusively to our community, can now purchase GoPro package installment from your back office. We have kept exactly same terms and conditions. We have not even increased a price itself, but we just provided you with option to make installments. This option now available in your back office. If you click now on Academy of Private Investor link, which is above this video, you will see in your back office 5 installments, 200 units each. We have provided this opportunity for you guys so you can take the best nuggets of wisdom from multi-level crowd investment entrepreneurs, from the people who are become successful in network marketing, from the people who will share with you their story, who will share the practice and tactics, who will teach you in the matter of next 3 days how to become successful in the business of network marketing. I'm very happy with this promotion. Please make sure that you tell every single person in your network that installments are available now in your back office. I hope you're also excited, same like myself. Gotta get yourself a ticket, and I see you online and GoPro.